Hey, yo! Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. Feathers up. You see my feathers. Always up, you dick. American Pride. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Y'all see the title. If y'all couldn't guess, you about to kind of see what we about to get into. You dig? I'm really excited for this one. Peaches and cream. I know I gotta have a thing. Say you look so good to me. Alright. You know that song was probably not about peaches and cream, but hey, maybe that's another subject. Tell me what you guys think was about the comments. Alright, just play. And as I got this blendy, y'all saw the opening with that one. Yo. And I got some water. I got it cut up, diced up. And I'm gonna have some watermelon. I plan to put like one slice of this, so maybe I'll put like, I plan on slicing this. Up and put in there. About to throw in some ice cubes. I got on one. I'm using one hand, so I'm about to do the dirty dance with it, if you know what I mean. I'm just playing. You know, nothing wrong with dirt. Dirt is actually, great for the soil, you dig? Got a little water on the side in case I need it. Whoop. There's some more water in there. Trying to think how I should do this. I think I want to try the watermelon first with the ice. And see my measurements. Let me see how much liquid. I got ice and stuff, so maybe that's gonna make a difference. They'll tell me afterwards. I do believe it's gonna be a little more chunky because the fact of the matter that I got so much watermelon. Eat your watermelon. I'm gonna get some watermelon. Wanna break that one up. The first time blending like this fruit stuff, really. So this is gonna be neat, bro. Really looking forward to this. Alright. If it needs any sweetener, I'll grab some agave or something. And it probably not, but maybe if I do put a peach on it, you dig what I'm saying? It's about to be cool. Looking forward to it. So let me grab this. Yeah, I feel like I need a little bit of water in there. I don't know. Maybe not. Let's find out. That's what I think we can do. We can adjust. Like I said, this is like our first time. So, hey, I just need to. Oh, that looks so freaking cool, cuz. That looks so cool. Now, let me actually shake it. I wanted to get the ice in there to shake. There you go. So I can shake up for sure. Probably should get loud, so let me see. Let me try low. Crazy, it almost looked done. How do I get a jar real fast? You know we like to reuse stuff over here. Here's get the jar. Let me show what we're working with. Look at that. Take the lid up. How it looks. Foamy. Alright, let me put this lid back on so I can pour it. Oh, it won't pour. I had to take the lid off, I guess, too. The whole entire lid. Sorry. Oh, I had to pour. This side is to pour like that. All right. Okay. Y'all learning with me. Cool. Pretty smooth. Pretty smooth. Pretty smooth. That's pretty smooth, man. Can't complain about that. Pretty tasty. You know, really, I guess it depends on the fruit of how sweet it is. Coolio. Feel smooth. Think about it, I want to make it sweeter. I want to try it with some peach, actually. I'm but surprised you got that much juice from the watermelon, that much. Only a couple pieces. You see, this is how we cut up, really. And we ate some. We started chewing off of some, like a few pieces. But, yeah, man. See, I got the peaches. Got the peach I was talking about just sliced up. So, really about to put the lid over this. Now, let's see how this does. You dig? Make sure it's secure. And try. Put it on Smoothie. All right. Yo, that's smooth. That's smooth. I like it with that. If you want to make it sweeter, you could just add a little more agave. Oh, I like that too. Dang, watermelon with peach? Why didn't nobody ever think of that? Golly, cuz, I swear to God. Yo, that's fire. Man, you guys like this. Make sure you guys hit the like button, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what other stuff y'all want to see me try. What other ideas and whatnot. Shoot, man, I'm about to enjoy this, man. This is about to be great, yo. I love this, man. You guys want to start, you guys want to start a business or whatnot. You know, we got a course for you guys. You guys can start a business. All you do is just learn marketing. The course is in the description box below. And also, too, I wanted to say to you guys is this. Make sure you enjoy yourself. Make sure you treat yourself. You know, most definitely. Recognize the thing that's natural to life. Recognize nature and whatnot. You dig? You know what I'm saying? And I wanted to say this too as far as fine, I'll give you some. Get your bite real fast. All right, go ahead. All right. What I want to say is, you guys can check out one of our content at healingthroughinspiration.com. So that's shop. We got one of a kind artwork there, you know, and we also got a lot of great things coming, you know, and we also got American meaning apparel. We got originally caps. We got a lot of great stuff on there. I'd really appreciate it if you guys check us out and support us because we support you guys. All right. And this is all stuff. This is all alkaline electric food. You know, food from Dr. Sebi. And I want to give a big ups to Dr. Sebi because, you know, the man really changed our life. A remarkable man. So yeah, big praises to Dr. Sebi. And if you agree with all this type of stuff, the alkaline electric way or alkaline electric based way and healthy eating, hey, you got to be in tune. You got to hit the bell notification. Support us, yo, because we support y'all. All right, peace, love, and light.